Hi, this is Peony Prashoti calling from, well, not calling, but filming from Las Vegas. I am in my mama's kitchen. Here's my mama. Say hi, mama.
Hello, everybody. I'm a mama.
Mama's cooking. Mama's going to be cooking curry. Oh, we can't see it here. Curry for our pregnant daughter, granddaughter. She's going to be a great grandmother. And we're going to be making Korean seaweed with sesame oil. So stay tuned. So here I am. I'm back again. What my mother is doing is making curry
with apple.
And she's grating apples, fresh apples, into the curry stew. And then she'll be putting in Okinawa sweet potatoes, and she's got carrots in there.
Okinawa.
There's Okinawa sweet potatoes.
Murasaki
imo.
Chicken
and some chicken, and you know,
soybeans.
I'm a grandmother. I'm going to be a grandma, and my mother's going to be a great grandma, and we are making a big fuss about what our daughter is going to be eating and how well her baby's going to develop in her little oven. So stay tuned.
She's gonna have